Arubi from Bangladesh. Arubi. Tazwar from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Shaykh.
Alaikum salam. And you are?
Arubi.
Okay. Yes, Arubi.
Shaykh, my sister is getting bad day by day. Even a few days ago, she wanted to kill my father with a knife because he slapped her as she was doing wrong things such as misbehaving and a little zina, etc. Now I managed her a little. She promised me that she won't do zina and she will pray 5 times and tahajjud and she will learn Quran from me. But the condition is that I have to let her use computer. If we don't give her computer, she will be the worst. So I accepted it. Now everyone is a little afraid of her. How can I guide her? I stay 24 hours with her.
If I understand your question correctly, either your sister is mentally sick and she needs psychiatric attention before she harms herself or others, or she's just faking it and she's a spoiled brat pretending to have a problem so that she would get what she wants at the end of the day. If it's only the computer that she's insisting on having while giving promises of praying on time, of being a good Muslimah and abiding by the Islamic law, give her the computer while monitoring whatever she does on it. And the best thing is to give her access to a PC with a big screen in the living room facing everyone else. So the back of the screen is to the wall and the screen is facing everyone else, so everybody could see what she is doing on that PC, and let her have whatever she wants, because people can monitor it, and this is the worst of the two evils, and Allah knows best. Tazawur from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I hope I find you well.
Alhamdulillah.
Sheikh, we know that the name Al-Lateef is a name of Allah. I was asking on how we could use this name in our du'as.
Al-Lateef has a number of meanings. So it is the subtle, the unfelt, something that happens in secrecy, and it shows us that how Allah Azza wa Jal delivers to us His bounties, His favors and blessings without us feeling it. So Allah Azza wa Jal is also one of the meanings of Al-Lateef, the kind. And it has a number of meanings. You will go back to my YouTube channel and see the playlist of the beautiful names of Allah, and it's there, inshallah. You can ask Allah for whatever kindness you want of Him and use the name Al-Lateef. And I always give the example of Allah's kindness. The lights in the studio is so strong in my face and it's almost blinding. Imagine if it was pitch black dark and all of a sudden they turn on these lights. I'll be blinded. And this is one of the meanings of Al-Lateef when we look at Allah's beautiful actions. Imagine in the darkness of the night, if the sun were to all of a sudden in a second comes up in the middle of the sky. The light of the sun would blind people. Yet Allah makes it rise little by little, and your eyes get accustomed to the light, and when it's broad daylight, you're fine and you see things and nothing happens. And the same thing when the sun sets. If all of a sudden it's pitch black, people would have accidents and would fall on their faces, but the sun goes gradually and the darkness creeps in little by little until you are accustomed and acquainted with it. So maybe this is one of the ways, and Allah knows best.